Hey everyone, so I've been using these organic throat coat drops and I just had to share. If you have a sore throat or you do a lot of talking during the day, you're going to want to check these out. Now, I've been using the throat coat tea for quite a few years now, so I was really excited to see that they came out with these. I like the fact though too that they also come in these nice little individually wrapped packages so you can just grab them and go. I love this flavor. It's got echinacea, it's got lemon, it's got ginger, so a really good flavor that soothes my throat. I 100% recommend you check them out.